Once again students, welcome to Bholanath Academy. Today we are going to see the reaction of alkyl halide. Now students, we have alkyl halide, we are adding some reagent to the alkyl halide and we are getting corresponding product. Now students, first simple alkyl halide which you have, that is ethyl bromide C2H5Br. This is the alkyl halide, very simple ethyl bromide we call as. Now what happens students, this ethyl when you add aqueous KOH dissolve in water, we call as what? Aqueous KOH. If you don't have your moist silver hydroxide, we can also use. So these two reagent, if you add in ethyl bromide students, you will get this bromine will go and it is converted into alcohol. So from ethyl bromide we can get ethyl alcohol. So this is the first reaction students, we have got ethyl alcohol. Now students, you have alkyl halide, simple alkyl halide, again C2H5Br. Now students, we are going to add same alkyl halide we are taking students. Now you are adding alcoholic KOH. When we are dissolving in alcohol, it is called as what? Alcoholic KOH. Now students, if you add this alcoholic KOH and heat it, what happens students? You will get carbon-carbon double bond compound. Now there is a dehydrogenation. Hydrogen and bromine both has been eliminated from this because of the heating. The carbon-carbon double bond, we get product as a ethene. This is the 2-carbon alkene, we call as what? Ethene. So students, these two raw material we have ethyl bromide and we are getting what? Alcohols. You can prepare alcohol, you can prepare ethene. Now students, third reaction of alkyl halide is students, you have alkyl halide, simple alkyl halide, again students C2H5Br. Now students, we are adding potassium cyanide. Here students, again there will be the addition reaction. There is the addition reaction will take place. If you add this, there will be the addition reaction. So it will become students C2H5CN, ethyl cyanide. You will get the product ethyl cyanide. Now students, fourth reaction students, you have ethyl bromide C2H5Br. Now students, we are adding alcoholic ammonia gas. When we are dissolving in alcohol, it is called as what? Alcoholic ammonia. Now you will get addition product students C2H5NH2, ethyl amine. You are getting ethyl amine. Ethyl amine product you are getting. Now students, fifth reaction of ethyl bromide students. Fifth reaction, you have C2H5Br, ethyl bromide. If you add sodium ethoxide, Na sodium, this is ethoxide, C2H5 ethoxide, this is sodium and this is ethoxide. What happens students? You will get ether, oxygen C2H5, this one and this C2H5, 4-carbon compound ether you are getting, diethyl ether. This is called as diethyl ether. Now students, sixth reaction of ethyl bromide students, that is alkyl halide, reaction of alkyl halide C2H5Br. Now students, if you add silver acetate, CS3COO, this is acetate, silver acetate students. Silver acetate, you will get ester. Again students, you have to write down this CS3COO C2H5. This is the ester you are getting students from ethyl bromide. Now seventh reaction students, you have ethyl bromide alkyl halide. It is the simplest alkyl halide students. Now in that also you are adding sodium. If you add sodium metal or zinc in presence of ether and heat it, what happens students? You will get alkanes, C2H5, that is you are getting as a alkane. Here it is what students? Butane. Higher alkanes you can get. Now 8th reaction students, which is the last reaction according to simple reaction. This last reaction students, you will add magnesium in presence of dry ether students. Dry ether we are using as a solvent. If you add magnesium, what happens students? You will get Grignard reagent, C2H5 Mg and Br. This is the Grignard reagent. In shortcut, we are writing GR. This is the Grignard. These are the 8 reactions of alkyl halide we have seen, students. Very simple reaction, and you can learn. It is very scoring for the examination point of view. This may ask in the NEET examination also. If you are taking this reactant, what will be the product, possible product? So these are the simplest reaction. Thank you very much, students. If you like my video, please share it, subscribe it. Thank you very much.